Hello, teacher. Are you busy now? I don't want to bother you. I'm sorry. Good morning, Leo. I just finished the class. But don't you have classes now? Yeah, well, my class starts in about 10 minutes. I have some time. All right. Then tell me, what can I do for you? What's happening? Well, first, I want to thank you. I have been applying all your advice and it has helped me a lot. I feel my English is improving. I watch movies, listen to music, and read books in English. That's great. I'm happy to hear that. Then, what is your problem? Well, I have tried to learn English by watching videos on YouTube. It doesn't work. I mean, that's not true, right? We can't learn English by watching videos on YouTube. I'm not saying you're a liar, but it just doesn't work. We can't learn English on YouTube. I see. Well, haven't you stopped to think that maybe you're doing it the wrong way? Yeah, I thought about it. That's why I'm here. I need you to tell me how to learn English with YouTube. Alright. Watching YouTube videos is a fantastic way to learn and improve your English. It helps you improve your listening comprehension and vocabulary while learning something exciting and having fun. Just 20 years ago, it wouldn't be possible to immerse yourself in English without being in an English speaking country. Well, YouTube changed that. In fact, I sometimes recommend YouTube videos more than movies and series in English because of the variation of videos and topics it has. You can find whatever you're looking for. But I must tell you something. The biggest mistake is to watch videos passively and do nothing else. Many adult learners devour YouTube videos hoping that it helps with improving their English. It does improve your listening comprehension to a certain degree, but not as much as active learning would do. Compared to passive learning, when you only listen, active learning is all about engaging with that content. So, I'm gonna give you some strategies to use YouTube properly to learn and improve your English. Watch a mix of English learning channels and thematic channels. Yeah, I know. I couldn't recommend you to only watch videos from Tangerine channel. I could be a terrible teacher if I do that. Here in this channel, we have different videos about different topics, a wide variety. We have real life situations, money problems, family life, English stories, tips to learn English, advanced English phrases and words, grammar, pronunciation. Wow, I didn't realize how much we've been working lately. Anyway, although we have a wide variety of videos, you can always learn more. Music in English with lyrics, for example. or clips from movies or series in English. Teachers teaching grammar with a whiteboard or interviews to famous people. It will depend on what you like. Imagine you like watching movies. You like going to the cinema. Here we have some videos about how to learn English by watching movies. So you can complement that video with a top of the best movies in English. For example, here we also have a video about how to learn English with music. Then you can watch a video with that song. Or you can also watch a channel similar to this about conversations in English and different topics. Because I don't know if we're the best YouTube channel, but we are a different channel. We love what we do and we try to put all our effort on each video. I love teaching English. I'm sure there are more channels different to this which can also help you learn English. So you can watch Tangerine videos and complement that information with other videos. I can't tell you only watch our videos because there is not only one way to learn English. And don't believe these people who tell you only to watch their videos and that the rest are bad. Check it out for yourself. Watch different videos and choose your favorite ones. Oh, also really important. Not only watch videos about learning English. I made that mistake. Yeah, I made that mistake when I was learning English many years ago. Why is it a mistake? Well, watching videos about learning English is good, but you also need other type of videos. English interviews, music, movies, tutorials, entertainment, beauty, video games. For example, I loved watching Americans and Britain's Got Talent videos when I was your age. I used to practice my listening skills and also my pronunciation by repeating the audios. And I had fun at the same time because I really loved the people who participated in that program. And of course, also the judges. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? That is active learning. Watch a mix of English learning channels and thematic channels, but also follow a routine. We have a video about that in this channel, the best routine to learn English. Pause and repeat. Creating comprehensible output is an effective strategy for improving your English. Comprehensible output is about speaking in English, but at a higher level than your current one. This forces you to experiment and go beyond your comfort zone. An excellent method would be to stop the video when you hear something new, a phrase, sentence, vocabulary, and repeat after it. Do pay attention to your pronunciation and make sure it's close to the original. It also helps with memorizing the vocabulary because it acts as an additional way of practicing it. Hear the vocab and thinking about it in your mind. What else? Oh, this is also really important. You must do it. You have to. Hey, don't you have to go to your class, Leo? It's very late. No, teacher, I prefer to hear you. I love your tips to learn English. I want to know more about how to use YouTube to improve my English. Please. Well, I have more things to say about that, but I don't know if our subscribers want another video. Yes, I'm sure they want another video because they want to improve their English too, right? I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.